upgrading to low-maintenance exterior siding transforms long-term care and curb appeal for new home construction projects. Choose the right material for your climate and budget by comparing durability, moisture resistance, and installation complexity. Fiber cement siding offers excellent fire resistance and dimensional stability. Cut with a score and snap method and always seal exposed edges with manufacturer-recommended caulk. Engineered wood composite provides natural appearance with improved rot resistance. Apply a high-quality primer and 2 top coats of exterior paint and maintain a 2-inch clearance from grade to avoid wicking. Vinyl with reinforced backing reduces warping and improves insulation when installed over a continuous insulation board. Use non-penetrating fasteners in high wind zones and follow thermal expansion spacing recommendations. Brick veneer gives long life and low maintenance but requires a proper drainage plane and weep holes at the base of the wall assembly to avoid trapped moisture. Metal panels are virtually maintenance-free and great for modern aesthetics, but require expansion joints, corrosion-resistant fasteners, and a paint system matched to coastal or industrial exposures. Common mistakes are poor flashing and water management, which leads to rot and mold. So always install continuous flashing at windows, doors, and transitions and incorporate a drainage plane with house wrap or a rain screen gap. Another issue is improper fastener selection and spacing, which causes panel distortion or blow-off. Consult the product installation guide, use corrosion-resistant fasteners, and pre-drill wear recommended to maintain alignment. Third, underestimating edge and cut-end protection results in paint failure or delamination. Seal all cut edges with compatible primer or sealant and follow the manufacturer cure times before exposing the surface to weather. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors who specialize in exterior siding upgrades and offers contractor profiles to connect tradespeople with new projects. We also host a discussion community where homeowners and contractors share installation tips, product experiences, and recommendations.